We're obviously going to adjust that right now and maybe even exit the balance of our signal. Okay, we're breaking out here. This is key. Let me bring in a better chart here in team and show you why this move up is key. Okay, we're breaking out to all new highs here. This is where there's some resistance, and if it opens up here $3-4 higher like it's showing, like pre-market is showing, and we've got 58 seconds until we open here, this thing's going to bust out to all new highs. Right now we have a $1.50 stop exit. Obviously we will adjust that. Okay, so everybody be ready to adjust that.